In the last video, you used Google Docs to make a list of activities to do with a friend. Because you made your list in a digital document, you can easily make changes to it. Use Google Docs to change the look of a document so it is easier to read. It fits the tone and purpose of what you are communicating. And it makes certain words or sections stand out. Changing how the text in a document looks is called formatting. In this video, you will format your list to make it easier to read and to grab your friend's attention. First, type a title at the top of your list of activities. Use a descriptive title. Next, make the title stand out. To do this, highlight the title. Change the font so the title looks different from the rest of your list. Then make the title bigger. If you like, change the font for the body of your list as well. To do this, highlight the list. Place your cursor at the beginning of the first item in your list. Then, click and hold down the mouse button while you drag down to the bottom of your list and over to the end of the last line. Use your title font or pick a different one. Also, with the text highlighted, try different sizes for the text. Choose one that is easy to read and fits well on the page. Finally, add bullets. This will make each item in your list stand out. Highlight the text, then choose one of the bullet styles. Test different formatting options until your document looks appealing and the text style fits the purpose and tone of what you are writing. The list is for a friend, so you might choose formatting and text that is fun or playful, as well as readable. If this was a work or school document, you would format it more professionally to fit the tone and subject of your document. In the next video, you will learn how to add digital comments to your document. Now, it's your turn. Open your document. Add a title. Format the title and text using different fonts and styles. Add bullets. Move on to the next video.